Welcome to my occasional series on motorbikes on this YouTube channel, and today's particular example is this lovely Triumph TT 1927, restored beautifully, and it lives on the mid-north coast. Some of the things that we might point out here is the friction damper. If you have a look at the friction damper here, you can see that. We've got the advance and retard choke levers there, they're so common. The bulbous horn here. We go down, let's have a look down in here at the motor. You'll see the remote chamber for the carburettor there. Hand gear change. As you can see there, that's a feature of that bike. We've got the kickstart here. Dual exhaust coming out of it. Pushrod channels there, but remote one. Got a couple of lovely little bags at the back here, and a sprung seat which came from Brooks in the UK. See, I think brake on the left hand side, which was common for bikes the British time at this era. The tank suspender underneath the frame, so that's a TT model, a very special model, as well as being a very, very old bike, soon be 100 years old. So tell us about the Triumphs of your life or the other motorcycles. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, more importantly.